we're going to be reviewing how to use analytics to manage memberships. First, we need to log in into our account, go to Analytics, and from there, we're going to go to the left side menu, click on Dashboard, and we're going to hit here Membership. This is going to bring us to membership growth, that is the comparison between a certain period of time regarding how membership have grown in that specific amount of time. Over here, the default view we're going to see, it is the months for a selected period of time, and also we're going to see some bars reflecting each of the payers, and also if we go and pass our arrow on there, we're going to see the amount of members per month for that specific payer. And we can see that all the way around. Also, we have here a line that shows the total amount of membership that have been created. Now, if we would like to see some more information, we just have to click on the part of that payer that we would like to check. And here we're going to be able to see some more information about it. So here, for example, we have the membership by location. So that means that all memberships were, for example, in here, we can see that we're all in the same place. It will be their way beach. Here we can also see by provider. So in this case, all the memberships for that month were handled by Miranda Bailey, Dr. Miranda Bailey. And if we scroll down, we can have a list of the patients that were enrolled. And also we have a little summary of the primary provider, the insurance PCP, the plan, and the location. If we decide to click on the patient's name, we're going to be brought to the patient chart, where we're going to see all the information of the patient. And from here, we can also edit the information as needed. We also have some other tabs here that we can use if we want to add a specific information, and also we can see a summary of the information as well. From here, we can decide if we want to edit. So we're going to get this little pop-up on the side, and we can add it. Once we are done, we just have to hit save or cancel if we don't want to save the changes. And also from here, we can print this patient chart as well, which can result handy depending on the situation. Now let's go back to our membership tab in dashboard. And let's check the filters a little bit. So from here, we can change the period of time that we want to review. Also, we can filter by any specific primary provider. Also, we can filter by a specific insurance PCP. We can select a specific location as well. We can filter by a specific payer, which can, all these filters can come in handy if we're just looking for specific pieces of information. Also here we have other filters that we can use, such as the vendor contract, the financial class, the county, environment, or LOB. Once we have applied the filters that we want to see, we just have to hit apply. And from there, we're going to be able to see the results of what we just filtered. So here we just can see the payer that we selected, in this case was CarePlus. And also here we can see other information. So we can see this pie chart that is showing the information of the distribution of the memberships for the selected period. Here also we can see a line that it shows the growth of that payer in particular regarding the memberships they got in a specific period of time. And that will be all for this tab. Now, Let's see another way that you can also see the information of your memberships. So we're going to go to the other tab that says memberships. And let's go by here. Let's go to membership by payer. It's quite similar to what we saw before. So if you see, we're still seeing CarePlus. It is important to mention that if we do not clean the filters, they're going to continue showing in other tabs that the filters are also applied. So here we can see that they just save all the information we filter in the first tab. So if we just want to see the view by default, we just have to hit here on clear all. And this would allow us to see all the information without using any type of filters. Here we're going to see the same. So information by payer in the selected period of time. So these are going to be the memberships. At the bottom, we can see the total for all the payers in a specific month. And again, if we click on any of these numbers that look like hyperlinks, we can get some more information about it, and also we can see the member list and etc. The same happens here with locations. All the locations that are already in our system are going to be displayed here, and we can see memberships by location. We can continue, and also we have the option to see memberships by primary provider. That is going to be the same. If it is important to mention that, of course, we're seeing all these indicators. For example, if for a specific primary provider there is no data, it is not going to show up. It's not going to be a list showing 0. It's going to be the same for payers, location, insurance PCP, county, financial class, age group, etc. Those are other tabs that we're going to see right now. So let's go. Now we can see membership by insurance PCP. Same thing. By county. Here in county, we have another additional piece of information that will be the net growth and net percentage. That will be the relation of how much or how less the amount of members have grown comparing 2 months. So it usually compares the previous month to the current one. And it's going to go on like that. Over here, also we can filter membership by financial class. And finally, by age group. This is just another way that we can see memberships for a specific topic. Same here, showing here. And it's important to mention that, of course, in all the tabs, you're going to have the filters similar to the ones that we saw at the beginning in the membership growth, so that we can play with the period of time we want to check, select the primary provider specifically that we want to see, the insurance PCP as well, the location, the source, the payer, the vendor contract, the financial class, the county, the environment, the LOB. And for some of the tabs, such as this one, we can see that we can also filter by a specific age group. That can come in handy in case that you just want to see a specific one. And that will be all. Thank you.